Hey, what's up everybody? It's Miss RochelleCreativity. So if you are new to my channel, of course, I want you to go ahead and hit subscribe and of course, like the video. So today's video, we're going to do something quick, fast, and easy. We're going to do 100 squats, okay? And I'm going to round it off with some bicep curls. These are only 4 pounds each, totaling up to 8 pounds. So I know you can do it, right? So hang around, stick around, and let's go. All right, I've already pre-stretched, so I'm gonna do a little wider stand, and I'm gonna put my weights right alongside of me. So I'm going to keep my back straight. I'm not going to bend over this way, and I'm going to use my leg muscles, okay? So I'm going to go shoot for 100. So let's go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's 25. Let's keep going. Okay, let's keep going. 25. Okay, 25. Now I'm starting to feel the burn. Let's keep going. Come on, come on. Let's go. That's 35. That's 35. Faster. 39. Come on. 44. We're almost there. 45. That's 45. Come on. 50. Come on, you can do it. We can do it. Come on, let's go. 45, 46. 50. Okay, we have 50 more. Let's do our last 50, okay? Let's do our last 50. Come on. Let's go. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come on. 10. That's 10. Let's go. 40 more. 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Woo! 2, 23. 24, come on, 25, 26, yes, 27, 28, 29, 30, woo! Okay, 10 more, see, we can do this, right? All right, let's get 10 more in. By then, we have accomplished 100 squats, okay? So let's go. 10 more. Let's go. 1, 2, yes. 3, 4, 5, 6, yes. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we did it. We did it. So I'm going to round it off with some curls. So let me step back. Okay, I'm going to do, let's do 50, 8 pounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Come on, 21. Let's go. You can do it. 22, 23, 24. Come on. 25, 26. You got it. 27, 28, 29, 30. That's 30. Okay. So if you want to break it down, 10, 10, 10 gives you 30. Okay. But I think I can go a little bit more since these are not my 10-pound weights. Okay. So that's 30. Okay. So I need to do 20 more. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. That suffice. So I'm gonna say my goodbyes. If you like the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next video. Take care of yourselves. Peace.